This 2019 Colorado. Motherfucker. Cream. Yeah. There. Little here. That. So, got to tie it down. Get going. Yeah. Alright. Back on the Colorado. Got majority of it pulled. Oh, nice. So, hood not up. So, I'm gonna go ahead, start getting everything situated, get my parts, get the old pieces off, show you all the new pieces, get them cut in, etc. So, hey buddy, got this piece, which is that. And I got this whole rail, which I'm just gonna section. So, yeah, buddy. All right. Got that out. Gonna end up sectioning that. So pull this piece off right here to figure out how it goes up in there. I'm just gonna put this side in and then put that new one on it. Put that outer apron on it. So, yep. Alright, back on this Colorado. Got dissected from here. Figure out how to pull my piece out from here. I gotta take that piece off because I left it on this one. So get all it was brazed on the end, so I'm gonna get all that off and figure out what I'm gonna do. Got old part, hammer and dolly, whole inner back out. We go to the whole thing with body work and whatnot. Everything is really just about one big puzzle, just putting puzzle pieces together. So I'm about to get ready and figure this one out, and then yeah. as I got it off. Let's see if what I was thinking was. Okay, something's off. Check that out, buddy. So, got everything fitted up and fit in exactly how it was supposed to. Got that there. It says flush. This will come right up to that ghost mark. So I actually have to come up. So I will. This goes right to that ghost mark. So, yeah, buddy. Alright. So I left my GoPro at home, so I'm on the phone with it today. So I got this inner piece welded in. Okay. See, welded. Yeah, I gotta get back out. You know, welded everywhere. I had that brace that went across on before I welded it up to make sure it fit. And then my plan was to put this up and mock it up and then take it back off. But that motherfucker is right on the money. That bitch right on the money. So I think I'm gonna leave that motherfucker in there. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. So yeah, bitch is right, described it. That bitch is right on the money, right on the ghost mark. So I'm gonna fit my fender to it, rock out. Get my fender up there, rock out. Okay. Got my fender on. That motherfucker is pretty spot on. So that lets me know that this piece is in the right spot and I can weld it up. So as you can see, that's okay, that's lined up. Got these holes lined up, so that should be good. Bronze.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change. The ones who thought was your right hand, and them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off, that's how you know that baby with it. But when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.